I've been working in construction technology, concrete materials for 20 years, but only until we, of course, work together with Damien and Prefab Ops and the members. We actually understood a lot more about what industry needs.
So we're working also collaboratively, not only with the universities, with industry, but also with organisations like the Bushfire Building Council of Australia to develop suitable housing solutions for bushfire resilience as well. You know, having Melbourne University as one of the founders of our organisation, you know, it really did set us up to be a really successful industry representative body, and we're looking to continue that relationship very much into the future.
For me, one of the things about a long-term partnership is that you don't know everything at the start of it. You need to, as you're working through it, be quite adaptable. And working with the Faculty of Engineering and IT, they're such practical people. You know, it's such a great organisation to be working with, because together we're solving problems and figuring out how to get the most value from working together.
I think we've demonstrated we're offering value to our undergraduate and graduate students, but now we're able to really tackle some of the bigger questions together. So that is really exciting, and we've got some programs in place where we can work on that together.
We're very delighted to work together with ITS Australia to make sure you know, Australia is in the forefront of this technology. This partnership has been very significant for us. You know, Susan, as the CEO of ITS Australia, you know, she's orchestrating this very large and important sector of our economy, and we are very pleased to be part of that, and being able to work with ITS Australia has been significant for us.
This is the AIMS testbed in Melbourne that is all about connected vehicle technologies, really, and it's a place where industry leaders can come and test their technology, but from my point of view, it's where we can translate this great technology into the benefits that it can deliver.
We're well aligned in terms of values, and so that makes it easy, because if you're both kind of heading in the same direction, you know, in terms of your kind of principles and your organizational values, then you know, the rest just follows pretty naturally.
I think relative to our aspirations in the precincts, so Melbourne Connect and especially Fisherman's Bend, we're trying to grow to operating at a different scale with a different type of relationship, really kind of positioning ourselves differently with the communities that we serve.
The mental horsepower of the students in the room and getting them out into the community, engaging with the community, actually asking questions, it builds credibility to what the problems are.
If every project was a success, then we would know that we weren't pushing the students hard enough to be creative enough.
We're in pretty close communication regularly, and you know, the team at Melbourne Uni have been unbelievable in helping us to get whatever we need done in order to support our, you know, our business endeavours with the product.
It's a really unique partnership, I think. In some sense, it's a bit of an odd couple. It's a formerly signage company working with a bunch of turbulence engineers, neither of which have worked in the medical field before, and we've come together to produce something that I don't think either of us probably thought would be as big as it is today. So it's a pretty good success story. It's certainly something I'm pretty proud of.
It's a lot of fun too. I think that's one really important factor that's, you know, overlooked in all of this. You know, you look at success across the board and you know, multidisciplinary success, and it's been a lot of fun too. So that's, I think, something really important as well.
You know, the opportunity is right for, you know, Australia to emerge as this, you know, kind of advanced technology and manufacturing powerhouse, and to do that, it needs the best students, it needs the best research, and it needs the best industry partners.
For us, the University of Melbourne, the passion and the drive to bring to life. This technology has been around for some time, but we know that in theory it can work, but we needed the passion of the engineers and the leadership from someone to bring it for life in the Australian context.
We just work collaboratively. It's a very open and honest relationship, and I think that's really important, the way that we work together. And you know, we have fun working together as well. I think that's quite important.
It's about, of course, not just the trust, but also the partnership where we actually learn from each other and we enjoy working together. So I think we can see we share the same vision.